Hello, Rob here from the Flanagan Homestead. Today let's look at our garden and specifically how the cattle panels worked for our trellis. Before we get into the specifics of the cattle panel trellis, which you see right there, we're going to just take a quick peek at the garden. Overall, we like to have a garden that's both functional and looks good. My wife likes it's kind of her sanctuary to come down and enjoy the garden space. So we've terraced the walls. The snow peas are done, so that's why they look kind of brown there. But we've got the berries down below, and we're going to take a quick look into the Shiro plum tree and the mini plums that are ripe there. This trellis is made with a 16-foot long cattle panel. It's obviously bent over. It worked great for our pole beans this year. Instead of growing taller than our trellis, they grew up over the top, and the beans were hanging down, ready to be picked. There's also beans hanging on the outside as well. Let's move over to our other arch. So on the back of our arch, this pumpkin is about 2 feet off the ground. Here's a butternut squash that's growing up. Some more over here. My wife doesn't even remember what type of squash this long stringy one is. We've got some of those growing really well. And then you get out to the front, there's a different type of cucumber. Let's reverse the angle of our view here. Building the arch trellis was quite simple. We pounded metal T-posts into the ground where the corners of the cattle panel was going to go. We left the bottom of the arch open to a distance of about 5 feet and zip tied them together. So you might think, well, I can't get a 16-foot panel to my house, but here's a short bed pickup, and I'm folding this over. I have another video on my channel on how to do this quite simply. Thanks for joining me on the Flanagan Homestead, where Christmas trees are my business, teaching and cleaning horticulture is my job, and outdoor projects are my passion. Hope to see you again soon. Be blessed, everyone.